In this space we had a mouse infestation. Last year they had nibbled through the middle wall and made a little hole there. So I filled that out so they couldn't get in. But over here, this is where they entered from outside there. There was a little hole, so they ran behind the wall there, up on the ledge and in there. I thought I had solved the problem, but there was still a mouse because it smelled oddly. So I put out 2 different traps, spring traps, that I had used last winter, and it had caught mouses with pretty good success. The smaller mouses could take the bait without springing the trap, so I put the traps in milk cartons, so they had to walk in and could not get from the side or anything else, and then I put small nails at the ledge so they couldn't get in without stepping on it. So that worked. But this year the loose mouse did not get caught. 4 different occasions it just took the cheese. But then I made a trap. A ordinary flower bucket from a store. You can see there, 7018 welding rod, which I can't use because I only have a buzz box. And then a small bridge made of laminated straws, super glue, and then paper to make it real lightweight but still strong enough to get the mouse confident enough, because they're very nervous, to walk out. And then I put the cheese here, and then I put my mouse traps in the bottom, and there is the success. Le dead le mess. Fuck you, mess. I got you. So this is my go-to solutions from now on. I've seen others put water in it, I don't know why. 2 mouse traps and they just fall right into it. And I don't even have to waste cheese. La perfect la solution. Thank you, la più.